How to see or access the booked food history using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So hey guys, if you want to have a quick glance at all of the food history that you have ordered on train using your IRCTC account, then the most quickest way to access that is by using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So let me show you how you can do this. So in order to do this on an Android or an iOS device, you need to download the IRCTC Rail Connect application and then open up your IRCTC Rail Connect application. Upon launching the application, you might receive this alert that you need to click onto this OK button in order to dismiss that. Then you will have to log in. So in order to log in this particular page, you can see this login button at the top right corner. So simply click onto this login button, and depending upon your authentication type, you can either use your phone 4-digit login pin, or you can also choose to log in and book with OTP, or also you can use your fingerprint if you have biometric authentication enabled. And after you are verified as a user, you will be successfully logged in into the IRCTC Rail Connect application. Now here you will need to click onto this transactions tab at the bottom, and under the transactions tab you can see this third option that says booked food history e-pantry. So simply click here and it will show you all of the food history that you have booked. So you have three different tabs right here for all of the journeys, that includes the upcoming and the past journeys, and here for the upcoming journeys, and for the history that you have ordered you can see here over at the past journey. So in my case it is currently showing empty, as I have never ordered a food using the e-pantry before. But in your case, if you have ordered it over the e-pantry, then you will have all of the listings available right here in this particular page. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.